The HS35iQ encoder has 4 LEDs on it. One of these LEDs is for coupling slip and overspeed detection. In today's video, we're going to take a deeper look at the coupling slip and overspeed functions and some of the capabilities of the service tool.
Couplings deteriorate over time, causing them to slip from the drive shaft. This notoriously hard problem to diagnose is made worse when your coupling is tough to access. Early coupling slip detection allows maintenance personnel to schedule a technician to check the coupling, avoiding unnecessary downtime. If you have a machine in an overspeed condition, this could lead to unnecessary scrap or even machine damage. Critical speed alerts help protect machinery and personnel from unsafe operating conditions. Before a coupling fails completely, a series of mini slips should first occur. The HS35iQ uses patented technology to detect these mini slips. If interested, we have a white paper that goes into much more detail on this subject. If enough of these mini slips occur within a fixed time, then a coupling slip fault is triggered. Once the fault is triggered, the coupling LED will begin pulsing red and a notification will be sent to the event log in the PulseIQ Encoder software. Although the fault LED may turn blue to indicate that the coupling is no longer slipping and it is in a recovered state, a maintenance technician should still be dispatched to perform root cause analysis on your system. After 30 minutes, the amount of time it takes to recover after a fault is corrected or cleared, your encoder will change from blue back to green. Once you have connected your encoder to a laptop, launch the PulseIQ Encoder Service Tool software and navigate to the Fault Monitoring tab. From here, both the coupling slip and overspeed functions of the encoder can be disabled individually by selecting these boxes. The LED on the encoder will pulse white when both faults are disabled. Also notice that the coupling slip fault is inactive when the encoder is not spinning, but will automatically turn active once the minimum RPM is achieved. If you select the Configure Fault Monitor button, a sub-menu will appear. This is where you can select the RPM at which you want the overspeed fault to trip. Once you have set your overspeed threshold, you must click Send to Device. Lastly, by selecting Clear All Faults, your LEDs are reset to green until another fault condition is detected. By selecting the Event Log tab, you can get more detail into the faults that have been triggered. A time step of when the fault occurred can be found here, as well as the speed your encoder reached when the overspeed fault was triggered. The right-hand column will suggest corrective actions to prevent another fault from occurring. Here is an example of a coupling slip and overspeed fault as shown in the event log. For more detailed information on fault monitoring or device configuration, please refer to Dynapar.com, where we have more videos and manuals to help. Thank you for your time.